Here's a tip for you to use in your laundry room, especially if you live in an apartment. This is a project we're finishing up today and delivering to our client. And here in his laundry room, notice that we have a rather narrow laundry space, which is common in apartments. And this tip will be really useful for you. What is this here, huh? I have two installed here, which we installed ourselves for the client. This is a retractable wall-mounted drying rack, as we usually call it. Take a close look at this, come closer so you can see. Look how cool this is. You open it and you have 5 rods here where you can hang your clothes. And it's really practical, man. You have no idea how much this helps and makes daily life easier for those who use it, for those who do the laundry. For example, here we have a stacked washer and dryer. Washer and dryer. The customer bought the washer and we installed it in his apartment's laundry room. So I gave him the idea, like, let's put a wall-mounted drying rack, right? A retractable one. These two are 80 centimeters. You can have 60, you can have 1 meter, you can even have 1.2 meters. The tip for you who have a tight, narrow laundry room is this one. Check this out. Look at this. Finished using it, not using it anymore, close it. It will have a nice frame on the wall, there's no problem at all. You can install 2, depending on the space between clothes, right? It depends on the height between each piece. Look at this. Look how amazing this is. Look at this sensational piece. Some people like to install those ceiling clotheslines, they're really good too, but in this case here, I recommended not installing it. Some people prefer using floor clotheslines or racks, which are great since you can move them around and place them on the balcony. However, I find this model amazing. I think it's awesome, okay? I always recommend it to my clients in my projects, and if you want to buy one, it comes in white, gray, and black. For example, here we could use black to match the washer-dryer combo here, but since the wall is white, we went with white. Down below in the description of this video is the link where you can buy this wall-mounted clothesline, okay? Retractable wall-mounted clothesline. Black, white, gray, and also in black for you. An architect's tip for you who want convenience and have a small laundry room. Especially for you who live in an apartment, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, but you still need to have a clothesline. Obviously, we need to have a clothesline in our apartment, but it shouldn't take up space or be that bulky thing that you have to move back and forth. You shouldn't have to keep pulling a cord here, you know? Go for a wall-mounted clothesline. The link where you can buy it is down below in the description. Help me share this video. Grab this video right here. Send it to that person, you know, who needs to have a clothesline like this at their house, okay? So we can get this tip to a lot of people out there who need this information, okay? You can buy it using the link in the video description. See you next time.